stupid now. Come on, Michael. The 24 car wouldn't even run a lap.
Come on, Chris, you got this.
Chris Cross is leading up against the wall over there. Don't just get in there and turn around and pop the wall. Then over there and turn around about 4 times. I don't know, it might be burning up. Chris Frost running the green top machine. Who is that number 0? Who is the leader? I can't. Chris Frost is the leader. There's Nick Martin right there in that 88 car. I can tell who that is. What they gonna do? You gonna turn around? Nick Martin driving that 88, he's coming over around there in his grandmother's car. But he at least got 8 speed, he got lights on him. That's Michael McCain, but he's wide open. Chris Frost is your leader right here. Man, I ain't never been nothing like that in my life. Black flagging the 00 car. The back wheels are not even turning. That 24 car, though, Brian Sample, that junior driving that car, I didn't know who it was.
They're all up against the wall.
Michael McKay right there in that car. He's going to get some front tire slant. Got to get that wall over there. They're trying to black flag the 00 car. Yeah. The kids come off the car and they're going to hit somebody that don't watch it. I don't know. They're checking them right now. There's your leader right there, Chris Frost. There's Nick Martin running that 88 car and has a brake.
Uh-oh, Chris spun out.
And I understood he went over there to Southwest Motors and bought that car from Julio Davis. And so Julio is one of the sponsors on that car of Nick's driving the 88 car. Green Flag Motors over on 3rd Avenue West, where you can get self-finance to anybody if you got just a little bit down. That's Junior Sample. There's Di's Mom's car, pro sign. Chris Frost. Oh, Nick, he get around just a little bit more, he catch your Frosty. Look at that thing like a wheels up. I think that's a Pontiac. Michael McKay, he's driving that little red car. That's an M&M record service car. Thing's still running, got flat on the front, back end won't run. Oh, there's driving. 43. Somebody burning up over on the corner, it looks like. I don't know who it is. White flag coming out for Chris Frost, green top barbecue car. Here come on Nick. Nick's coming around in the 88 car. He's picking up a little steam right there. Now catch the end of that wall right there. He won't out nothing left. Chris Ross, he's picking up steam now. Here comes the checkered flag. The checkered flag. Frosted snowman. Look at that. You better get across the fence line. There you go.